Howdy everybody, have something fun to share with you. A new complete buffing kit. This is our flippable buffing pad. You've seen me showing it quite a bit now, but I wanted to put a complete buffing kit together. Foam on this side, wool on this side, and then you need the little adapter. Well, this kit comes with that adapter. Let's zoom in here and you can see the uniqueness of this little adapter. This tool helps you to flip the pad safely and securely. Very, very neat invention by 3M. And we buy that adapter and then we place that in this kit also, along with our latest and greatest single product polishing product. This product, we say, will outperform anything that we have ever created, and we created the whole single product polishing market. When we started this market, nobody thought it was possible to do polishing on a car, a boat, motorhome, or plane with one single product. System 1 was the name of that product, and it proved the whole entire industry wrong by not only doing what it said, but being very, very successful in the marketplace. So successful that every company today has copied the single product polishing mantra that System 1 started. This is our latest formula. This product, you've seen me demo this product before. There are many, many imposters on the market. Many. This product, super, super creamy. It's like a face cream for your car. It will remove any scratch and polish to a mere finish, all with one single product. So that's these products that come in the kit, but I have an extra bonus too. Inside of this kit, we've been selling products to this industry for a long, long time. And one of the things that people always like are branded products. Now, I have a little bit of product on my hands here, and I don't want to wipe it off. It's actually safe to play with. It's all water-based. It's clean. It's not going to go anywhere. But inside of this kit comes a beautiful black apron. These are actually chef aprons that we have custom printed with the CSI logo, Certified Master Polisher. So we want to include this inside of this kit, and all of it will be available online at our website, CSI-shine.com. If you have any questions regarding polishing, maybe will it work on this or that, give me a call, 714-906-6619. Happy polishing, everybody, from CSI.